he has been given loud and clear by His Grace, Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao, where the head of the state, our own Chief Minister, was present. He has expressed that in a holy place and also World Heritage place, where UNESCO has given the whole place is under the World Heritage UNESCO. And he has said that this place should remain for the generation next, for hundreds of years, for thousands of years, as it is, how it was given to us. So let the Chief Minister take the final call. We have already told. I think I was one of the first minister who spoke on this. And all the people from different faiths have faith and they religiously come and take blessing of St. Francis Xavier. The same way we go to Mangeshi temple, the same way we go to Mahalakshmi or we go to Shantadurga Devi. So this is the faith all the people of Goa have on every religion. And this should be protected.
Are you going to meet them today?
See, it's not a question of meeting anybody. It's a question of government acting. We have expressed. And it is not only technical clearance, the next procedure should be followed. And it can be done, you can expedite the procedure because the due process has been followed. And after that, what requires, you have to stand by it.
But expedite can't
You got to demolish and stand by it. We have done a lot of demolitions in Kalangud village, Kadzulim, and in Arparanagwa. And we stood by the demolition. We were taken in the court. I have faced the courts as a chairman of NGPDA. So this matter can be demolished and government needs to take a stand and stand by it.
Do you think that
expedite court panchayat or government?
Do you think that the CM is not taking action for this?
No, CM has taken action after I spoke, and that is why the procedure started from there, and the panchayat and the TCP has revoked and issued stop work order.
So expedite कौन करता है पंचायत or government?
No, TCP, Town and Country Planning.